So many people ask me कि मैंने अपनी एजेंसी कैसे शुरू करी. So this was I got kicked out from my job, to be honest, and I was doing freelance work just to pay some bills, my bills, and then I was looking for a job, but I was not getting it. And in between, I started doing my freelance work. I got more work, more than I can handle, and that is how accidentally my agency Chili Factor Communications was born. I had no intention initially. So we all have this idea that we want to, all the people who are into the job, we all have an idea कि यार अपना खुद का बिजनेस करना है, entrepreneur बनना है. But मेरे को साथ साथ में ये भी था आइडिया कि नहीं यार अभी बहुत एक्सपेंसेस हैं, घर की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ बहुत है, तो अभी मैं वो प्लंज नहीं ले सकता अभी. So at that point of time, I was not looking for a shift. I was looking for a job, but accidentally this agency thing happened. And today I want to tell you the difference between the agency world as an employee and an agency owner, because I lived both the lives more than a decade. As an employee, I'll tell you that when I was an employee, I always used to think that when I'll have my own agency or my own business, things are going to be very, very different. I can make much more money than what I'm fixed, in my fixed salary. तो मैं multiply कर सकूँगा उसको, बहुत सारे पैसे हो सकते हैं मेरे पास में. But when I'm here actually into the business, I realize that, it is, money is, you only see from the outside. There are a lot of expenses which are your responsibility. Like, you're not getting the pay, salary on every 1st or 7th or 10th. You have to pay the salary to all your employees on that 1st or 7th or 10th. So that's a huge liability, a recurring monthly liability, whether the clients are paying you on time or not. So grass is always greener when you are an employee. So keep that in mind. Second, you think that you will get more control on the kind of a work you are doing. So if you are a designer, if you are a graphic designer, you are a copywriter, you are an art person, you feel that when you will have your own business, you will have better control over the quality of content which you will be delivering. But fortunately, unfortunately, if you get good clients, yes, why not, you can do that. But in most of the cases, because the clients you will be getting will not be the the Cokes and Pepsis of the world. Maybe you will get, inshallah, but if you don't get it, then you have to make sure that the project finishes on time, and for that you may have to compromise the quality also sometimes, depending upon what kind of an agency you want to start. But yes, so control is, I believe, that is one keyword. Make sure that the kind of a control you have in your job, you may not have that control in your own business. Also, when it comes to compensation, yes, the difference in a fixed salary, as I told you, कि एक फिक्स सैलरी होगी अगर बिजनेस के अंदर आप हो तो आपको सैलरी देनी पड़ेगी. बट यस, द आउटकम, द काइंड ऑफ अ मनी in terms of profits you will get is much better in your business, hands down. One more thing, the benefit what you will get in your business is the kind of a flexibility of time which you will get here. You will not get that in job. I remember when I was in my jobs, so हम हमेशा ये लोग बोलते थे कि बस ऑफिस में आने का टाइम होता है, जाने का कोई टाइम नहीं होता है. और 9:30 लॉगिन करना है, साइन करने हैं रजिस्टर के ऊपर, उसके बाद में आपकी छुट्टी अगर 6 बजे टाइम पे हो रही है तो पीपल यूज टू से अरे आज हाफ डे में जा रहा है. सो बिकॉज रोज़ डेली 9-10 तो बजने ही बजने हैं. So your personal life is like completely screwed up. In the business you have this flexibility कि आप client meeting पे जा रहे हो, आपने काम आज लेट शुरू करना है. So everything depends on you, but at the same time if you feel that अगर आप बिजनेस में इसलिए आ रहे हो बिकॉज आपने कंफर्ट चाहिए आपको, तो देन यू आर मेकिंग अ रॉन्ग डिसीजन. बिकॉज बिजनेस में आपको ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, ज़्यादा काम करना पड़ेगा. देर आर टाइम्स व्हेन आई एम सिटिंग इन माई रूम and working till 4 o'clock in the morning and then taking a few hours nap and then again getting up and then again doing, and literally living on my chair. So in my business also, so it is not that you will not get more comfort, but yes, at the same time I have flexibility of my own. I don't need to ask my boss that whether I can take a chutti on a particular date or not. But yes, at the same time, you are responsible for your own actions. So yes, flexibility is there, but yes, it comes with great responsibilities. Uh, also, when you're starting your own business, I think you need to very clearly define your role, that what you are good at. Whether you are, let's say, I was an art person. सो एज एन आर्ट पर्सन आई न्यू दैट मेरा रोल ये है, मेरा काम है कि मैं जो भी ग्राफिक्स होंगे या कोई डिजिटल होगा, उसके बाद में डिजिटल आ गया था. सो एनी थिंग आई विल टेक केयर ऑफ दैट क्रिएटिव पार्ट. I was not very good in copywriting, so I thought, let me just take that help externally. I was not very good in sales, so I thought maybe let's take that as an external help. So those things started coming later on. But you need to really understand your role in the business. Whether you are a client servicing person, perfectly all right, because some client servicing people feel कि यार मेरा तो कोई role ही नहीं है, because I am not a creative person, not a copy person, so what is my input? How can I start my own agency? But trust me, when I'm doing an agency work, my core competency is only about 30-40%. I'm doing all the other things. I'm doing admin work, I'm doing HR work, I'm doing accountancy, I'm doing creative copywriting, I'm doing tech part, I'm doing hardware guy. So from chief cook to bottle washer, everything I'm doing in the business. So if you feel that you are not the right fit in the business, or maybe because you are not a copywriter or an art person, that is why you can't start a business, I don't think that is a fair decision, mindset. Also, one more thing I want to tell about is the stability. People believe that job has got a better stability or business is very risky. I don't think that is very true, because job के अंदर भी आज की डेट में पता है कि कब जॉब है कब नहीं है, आपको कुछ नहीं मालूम. अगर आप किसी एजेंसी में काम कर रहे हो और वहाँ पे आपका क्लाइंट चला गया, so then obviously your job is at stake. So is in your business. So आप business में already होते हो, तो you make sure कि मेरे पास कुछ liquid हमेशा safe रहे for the rainy days. तो इसलिए आप जॉब अपने बिजनेस के अंदर ज़्यादा सेफ होके चलते हो. सो आई थिंक स्टेबिलिटी के लिए तो मैं कहूँगा 50-50 है. The one very important point, and I believe that is why most of the people start their own business or start their agencies, is satisfaction. जॉब के अंदर काम करने के बाद में आपको थोड़े टाइम में के बाद एक स्टैग्नेशन आ जाता है, लगने लगता है कि अब ग्रोथ नहीं मिल रही है मुझे, या फिर मैं वो जो काम करना चाहता था वो काम नहीं कर रहा हूँ. तो वो जो एक सेटिस्फैक्शन है वो आपको डेफिनेटली बिजनेस के अंदर मिलती है. आपको जॉब बिजनेस के अंदर आपको पता होता है कि जितना आप एफर्ट डाल रहे हो उतना ही आपको आउटकम मिल रहा है. इफ़ यू आर स्पेंडिंग गिविंग 8 hours, you will get the output of 8 hours. If you are giving your 14 hours, you will get the output of 14 hours. So definitely job satisfaction is more in business. So if you are an aspiring agency owner, and if you want to know how to become an agency owner, join the link in the description, and I'll see you on the other side.